Today I am reviewing the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7 cell phone. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7 is one of those smartphones that instantly feels futuristic the moment you unfold it. Foldable phones have evolved rapidly over the past few years, but the Z Fold7 feels like Samsung has finally refined the formula into something that genuinely combines productivity, entertainment, premium design, and flagship-level performance into one polished device. After spending time with it, it becomes clear that this is not just another smartphone. It is a multitasking powerhouse designed for users who want more from their mobile experience. The first thing that immediately stands out is the design. Samsung has managed to make the Galaxy Z Fold7 noticeably slimmer and lighter, while still increasing the usability of the cover display. Earlier foldable phones sometimes felt bulky or awkward when folded shut, but the Fold7 feels much closer to a traditional smartphone in everyday use. The wider cover screen makes texting, browsing, and quick interactions far more comfortable without needing to constantly unfold the device. Once opened, however, the Fold7 transforms into something entirely different. The massive 8-inch inner display is the true centerpiece of the experience. Watching videos, multitasking between apps, gaming, editing photos, or reading documents all feel dramatically more immersive compared to standard smartphones. The large screen creates a tablet-like experience while still fitting into your pocket when folded. One of the most impressive aspects of the Fold7 is multitasking. Samsung continues to lead the Android market when it comes to productivity features, and the ability to run up to 3 apps simultaneously on the large display genuinely changes how you use a phone. You can watch YouTube while responding to messages and browsing the web at the same time without the device feeling cramped or cluttered. For students, professionals, content creators, and multitaskers, this functionality becomes incredibly useful. Editing notes while attending video calls, managing emails alongside documents, or comparing information across apps feels smooth and natural. The Fold7 feels less like a phone and more like a compact workstation you can carry everywhere. Performance is another major highlight. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor customized specifically for Galaxy devices, the Fold7 handles demanding tasks effortlessly. Apps open instantly, multitasking remains fluid, and gaming performance feels flagship level across the board. Whether you're streaming 4K video, editing photos, using AI features, or playing graphically intensive mobile games, the phone remains fast and responsive. Thermal management also feels improved compared to earlier foldable generations. Even during extended gaming or heavy multitasking sessions, the device maintains stable performance without becoming uncomfortably hot. That level of optimization matters on a device built for power users. The camera system is another area where Samsung has made substantial improvements. The Galaxy Z Fold7 now includes a powerful 200MP camera paired with Samsung's ProVisual engine, and the results are genuinely impressive. Photos come out sharp, detailed, vibrant, and highly dynamic across various lighting conditions. Daytime photography looks flagship quality with excellent color reproduction and strong detail retention. The large sensor helps capture crisp textures and realistic depth, while Samsung's AI processing enhances photos without making them appear overly artificial. Night photography also performs surprisingly well, producing cleaner and brighter low-light images with reduced noise. The foldable design also unlocks unique photography possibilities. You can partially fold the device to use it like a mini tripod for hands-free photos, video calls, or time-lapse shots. This flexibility makes the camera system feel more versatile than traditional slab smartphones. Samsung's AI-powered editing tools are another strong addition. AI photo editing features allow users to quickly enhance images, remove distractions, improve composition, or adjust elements without needing professional editing apps. These tools feel intuitive and useful rather than gimmicky, especially for social media creators or casual photographers. Another standout feature is the integration with Google Gemini AI and live screen sharing capabilities. Being able to point the camera at something or share your screen for contextual AI assistance feels genuinely futuristic. Whether identifying objects, getting travel information, summarizing content, or troubleshooting tasks, the AI integration adds convenience in everyday situations. Battery life is another area where Samsung has clearly focused attention. Foldable phones traditionally struggled with endurance due to their large displays, but the Fold 7 manages power efficiently enough to comfortably handle busy days involving multitasking, streaming, productivity, and social media use. While heavy users may still recharge before bedtime, the battery performance feels dependable for a device with such a large screen and powerful hardware. Durability has also improved significantly. Foldable devices used to raise concerns about fragility, but Samsung continues strengthening the Z Fold series with advanced armor, aluminum construction, and Corning Gorilla Glass ceramic to protection. The hinge mechanism feels smoother and more solid than previous generations, giving the phone a more refined and confidence-inspiring feel during daily use. The silver shadow color option deserves mention as well because it gives the Fold 7 a clean, premium, and modern appearance. It looks sophisticated without being overly flashy, fitting perfectly with the flagship positioning of the device. Of course, there are still a few trade-offs associated with foldable phones. Even though the Fold 7 is slimmer than before, it is still thicker and heavier than standard flagship smartphones when folded. Some apps may also not fully optimize for the foldable aspect ratio, although Android support has improved significantly over time. Additionally, foldable phones remain premium-priced devices. The Galaxy Z Fold7 is clearly aimed at users who value multitasking, innovation, and cutting-edge technology enough to justify the investment. However, for those users, the experience genuinely feels unique compared to conventional smartphones. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7 feels like one of the most complete foldable smartphones Samsung has ever created. It successfully combines flagship performance, advanced multitasking, premium cameras, AI-powered features, durable design, and an immersive large-screen experience into a device that genuinely stands apart from traditional phones. For productivity enthusiasts, tech lovers, content creators, gamers, or anyone wanting a smartphone that pushes beyond normal expectations, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 delivers an experience that feels powerful, futuristic, and surprisingly practical in everyday life.